Welcome to this guided body scan meditation. This practice is designed to help you release tension, connect with your body, and bring calmness to your mind. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. You can sit in a chair with your feet flat on the floor, lie down on your back, or even sit cross legged, whatever feels best for you. When you're ready, close your eyes or keep a soft gaze. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Allow your breath to settle into a natural rhythm. No need to change it or force it. Simply notice the sensation of your breath as it flows in and out of your body. With each exhale, imagine releasing any tension or stress that you might be holding on to. Let go of any thoughts about past or future and bring your attention fully into this moment. Now bring your attention to your toes. Notice any sensations here. Perhaps a sense of warmth, tingling, or pressure where they all touch to the ground or fabric. Or maybe you feel nothing at all. That's okay too. Simply observe without any judgment. If there is any tension in this area, imagine it softening as you breathe out. Now shift your focus to the soles of your feet and then to your ankles. Notice how they feel. Are they relaxed or holding tension? Take a moment to simply observe these sensations. With each exhale, allow them to soften and relax. Now bring your awareness to your calves and shins. Notice any tightness or heaviness here, or perhaps they feel light and relaxed. Breathe into this area, imagining any tension melting away as you exhale. Next, move up to your knees and thighs. Pay attention to how they feel. Are they resting comfortably? Allow this part of your body to relax fully with every breath. Now, bring awareness to your hips and lower back. This area often holds tension from sitting or standing throughout the day. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine releasing any tightness here. Notice how this part of your body feels supported by the surface beneath you. Now, move your attention to your stomach and chest. Notice how they expand gently with each inhale and contract with each exhale. If there is any tightness in this area, perhaps from stress or shallow breathing, try softening it with each breath. Now shift your focus to your shoulders, arms, wrists, and hands. Are you holding any tension here? Many of us carry stress in our shoulders without even realizing it. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, Imagine tension melting away like ice under the sun. Now bring your awareness to your neck and jaw areas, where we often hold stress from speaking or clenching unconsciously. Allow these muscles to soften as you breathe out. Finally, bring your attention to your face, your cheeks, eyes, forehead, and scalp. Notice if there is any tightness here and let it go with each exhale. Now take a moment to feel the connection between all parts of your body, from head to toe, as one whole being. Imagine a wave of relaxation flowing through you from top to bottom with every breath you take. Take one final breath in and slowly let it out. When you're ready, gently bring awareness back into the room around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes if that feels good, or stretch lightly if you like. When it feels right for you, open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel now compared to when we started. Perhaps calm or more connected with yourself. Thank yourself for taking this time for self care today.